Hi, Peter and Kristin here.
And today I will be making a red rose using acrylic fluid paint. Today, the day that this video is coming out, is the day that Kristin is in the hospital. Likely by the time this video comes out, she will have completed her surgery, and we pray that everything will have gone well and the cancer will have been removed from her. But this flower is just a special reminder of how wonderful she is to me. A little bit of magic in my life, a little bit of magic for my wife. Oh. So today we're using a paint mixture that is a little bit more fluid than what we normally do for some of our other pours, because I'm going to be using the hair dryer to blow the colors around to get my flower effect. And I want it to be able to be moved around that way. And if it's too thick, then it just kind of goes bloop, 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 exactly like that. And it doesn't actually achieve the effect that we're trying to get. There is no silicone or anything. It is just our paint and Floetrol mixture, plus an extra dose of water. Kristin's telling me I should stop right there.
Maybe.
But I won't, because that's not what I'm doing. I'm going to do these ones one at a time. Yeah. So now for some of these inner ones, I'm going to use the straw instead. I'm going to add a little bit more white in the middle and blow it out just because I want some variation. The center of it. All right, and then just a little bit yellow squigglies. What do you think?
Cool. It's better than we've ever done before, for sure.
Yeah, I like it. There's all the cells everywhere. The yellow goobers in the middle. So sometimes life throws you curveballs, in our case cancer, and I was working on this flower for Kristin on her surgery day, and I screwed it up because I didn't level it when I laid it down. But the same way in our cancer journey, sometimes bad things turn out to be really, really, really good. And it's hard to say that about cancer, but we've learned so much. We've been touched by so many people, and we've really been impacted in a new way through this cancer journey. This flower did exactly that. Check it out. You see this flower? This is not what I had painted. It ran and ran off that corner right there. And I was actually not the most happy with how it was kind of square beforehand. But the way that it ran off, it looks really, really cool, and it has a much more flower shape to it, and just really, really excited to see how it's turned out. Kristin's going to be super happy when she sees this.